khi Gen Z tham gia Shark Tank?
Well, I've just turned 18, but don't you worry, I've achieved way more than what my peers have. So, what is special about yourself? Like, what do you have to show us? Well, I started doing business when I was 7. I was selling photo cards of K-pop idols for roughly 5 million a month. But it did not stop there. When I went to secondary school, I was thinking about expanding my business and, investing on stock, since I wanted to generate a stable passive income, and my goal is to become financially independent and retire early at around 40. Oh, and it does not stop there.
2,000 years later.
Now, my revenue from running my own business, doing 3 other freelance jobs, and my social media can add up to 16 million a month. Wow, that's impressive. And I wonder how many hours a day do you spend on sleeping? Like, do you even sleep? Psst, sleeping? That's an unnecessary business. I generally sleep for 4 hours a day. I can pull an all-nighter whenever I want because, working is my passion. So what you're telling me is that you had roughly 11 years of experience. You're passionate about working, that a few health problems won't bother you that much. Do you wanna see?
That's
It's my best friend. And you're having more than 20 years to invest in your business. And you're willing to work overtime? Deal.
B2, talk the way you like.